There are three principles that must be understood sa nutrition. Number one, we have stored nutrients or yung mga fat-soluble nutrients na naka-store sa ating mga tissues at saka sa ating bone marrow. Second principle, we have imported nutrients. Ito yung mga vitamin C, B vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Third principle, ang ating pong katawan ay palaging nasa survival mode. We have inside our body a survival machine. Yun po ang ating puso. The heart will do everything in its power to keep itself working and to keep us alive. Dahil ang puso po ang siyang pinakahuling sumusurrender sa katawan ng tao bago ito mag-flatline. As a survival machine, nangangailangan po ito ng tamang sustansya para sa kanyang pag-function. What if we do not have enough stored nutrients or we do not have enough imported nutrients? What will happen to our heart? Halimbawa po, we have a vitamin A na nakain, which is actually good para sa kaliwanagan ng ating paningin. What will happen is our heart will take that vitamin A for its function dahil mas importante siya as our survival machine kaysa sa kaliwanagan ng ating mga mata. Ganoon din, example is the vitamin E that is actually good for your skin when it synthesized to collagen. This vitamin E will be directed to our heart because mas importante ang kanyang function kaysa sa kagandahan ng ating balat. Kapag halimbawa ang mga sustansya ay hindi na sapat ang naipapasok natin sa ating katawan, yung mga ibang functions o yung mga ibang organs na nangangailangan ng sustansya, mawawalan sila lalo dahil kukuhanin lahat yun ng ating puso. Again, our heart is our survival machine. Ano naman ngayon, kung malabo ang mata natin o pulubot ang ating balat, buhay naman tayo. When these nutrients are no longer enough sa mahabang panahon, ang isang tao ay buhay pero mayroon siyang sakit na diabetes, or yung isang tao ay buhay pero mayroon siyang sakit na lung diseases or mga heart diseases. You are alive but you look older than your age. You are alive but you are crazy because the nutrients that is intended for your brain will also be taken by your heart. Or you are alive but you have cancer. It cannot do much when these nutrients are not enough to fulfill its function. It will do the last thing for you. Keep you alive, but always sick. We can't win a war on an empty stomach. Why don't you feed your heart with Nanosci Spirulina Filipina? This product is a completely natural, powerful, wide-ranging, diverse group of nutrients na magbibigay ng tama at balancing sustansya para sa iyong katawan at sa iyong puso. It is a full pack of nutrients. This is good for you and for your heart. Nanosci Spirulina Filipina.